Son of a bridge. I know. So I was like, if it's not, I won't. I don't want to tempt fate, man. But once you get up, it's super peaceful. Yeah. Up in the air, parasailing.
Hey!
Aruba in the distance.
Trying not to be too nervous.
Yep. Just trying to concentrate on something else.
Like we wouldn't die if we dropped from this height, right?
But it would hurt, right? It would definitely hurt.
Going higher, not freaking out.
He said just lean back, right?
Yeah.
That's what they said?
Yeah, because there's a strap behind our back.
Okay. Try not to be too nervous.
Yeah. I'm cool with not going higher.
Yeah.
Look at us something sunk in the water over here, and we just said that we might. This is fun.
It's really calm up here.
This is like water.
Like, I don't like heights. I don't like heights. And I kind of don't like this, but
Yeah, this is on the verge of what am I saying?
this is on the verge of
Freaking out?
Yeah. I'm only on the verge of freaking out.
No,
Like slipping through this thing here.
you can't say that word.
I am gonna say it when we're up here. I'll bleep it later.
There's our hotel way over there.
Yeah. Yay.
I guess that's Eagle Beach that way where you can stretch your hand.
Yeah. I think so, anyway.
Oh, you can see the whole island. Nice. Birds are below us. That's a little different.
What you think?
This is fun. I'm really not freaking out, but like right on the cusp of time.
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan of heights either.
My hands are kind of shaking a little bit.
I'm trying to not think about them asking us how much we weigh. making sure we weren't too heavy.
Let's not go through the things that make me nervous. We don't need to talk about the things that are already making me nervous.
I wonder what that big dome thing is over there.
Ooh, what is that?
I don't know. I guess these are like sandbars. Oh look, there's a turtle. Look. He's like behind me.
I can't. I physically can't.
Look, there's another one right down there.
Oh yeah, sea turtle. Ooh,
Oh gosh.
don't do that.
What's that? It's a big rock? Big rock.
What is that, a rock?
I guess it would land. I
Ooh.
heard to land on one of those.
Just breathe.
Yeah.
I'm just breathing.
You can hear the creaky, so that's good.
Just breathing. Just leaning back and breathing. The ship is going to pass under us here. Sailboat.
Interesting.
Ooh,
Okay.
didn't like that.
You don't want to lean back with your arm?
No. No, I don't.
I'm only brave for like 3 seconds. I'm not.
3-second burst of braveness. Yeah.
That's all you need. What is it? We've bought a zoo. What's it say? You only need 10 seconds of brightness.
Yeah. We bought a zoo. Lied, Sean.
Oh, I guess something is down there.
Somebody whistled about something. Oh, that. Woo. Yeah. I'm undecided up in the air whether I'm glad I did this or not.
We're parasailing.
We are parasailing. We're parasailing, and I'm being very brave, which means later I will eat cake.
Okay. Woo, going higher.
Oh, we're getting higher.
I was feeling brave.
I was brave. I am kind of not enjoying that moment.
Don't touch the clip. That's all you
Don't
have to
touch
remember.
the clip.
Don't touch the clip. Ooh, okay.
Ooh. Oh. Man, Aruba's beautiful. The water is so nice looking. Yay. I am okay with that.
Wonder where this is. Is it airport?
What's that? Something.
No?
Oh, this is more manageable.
Is it?
Yeah, you know what?
No, I don't want to be right over the water. That freaks me out.
Being over the water, this.
Like right over the water.
Oh.
Yeah.
I love Big turtle.
I love animals in their natural habitat.
A Studebaker. Leave comedy to the bears. It's gonna be rough. Oh.